So we are an ingredient household, but something about me is I do not buy powdered sugar or brown sugar. All I buy is organic cane sugar and I make the rest. See, what a lot of people don't know is that brown sugar is just molasses and cane sugar, okay? And you just mix it all up, kind of like this. And then for powdered sugar, it's just ground, you guessed it, cane sugar. Also add arrowroot or tapioca starch or also cornstarch to it, or you can just leave it plain. So yes, it takes me a little bit longer, but my brown sugar never goes bad because I make it fresh, and I actually save money because all I have to do is buy one thing and that's it. Yeah, I do have to buy molasses, but it's like a couple dollars for molasses and then sugar.